double layer 6-petal flower tutorial. Reserve 8 fingers width at the tail end. Start by twisting a 4-finger single bubble, twisting the 2 double bubbles. Twist a 4-finger single bubble. Stretch the balloon over and pull tight. We need to make 2 more sets following the same steps. After releasing the air, tie a tight knot. Bring the 3 sets together. Press down between the 2 bubbles. Twist one end of the balloon 1 full turn. Adjust the shape. With a green balloon, inflate and twist a 3-finger loop bubble. A total of 3 sets of balloon loops need to be made. Wrap and secure the balloon skin around the balloon ring. Adjust the shape of the balloon, and you're done.